Amex and Intel adding about 75 points to the Dow. Intel near a 20-year high today. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Bob?
You're right, Carl. We're up. It's because Intel and it's because of Amex and a little bit because of Boeing that's really helping us out. Just take a look at the sectors. The concerns about what's going on in China is not going away. Coronavirus is definitely there. Semi's up. That's because of Intel's dragging everything up. Transport's still weak. Airlines a bit on the weak side. Energy is still not bouncing at all. And there's your China ETF. That's MCHR. That's the broadest ETF. Still weak there. So this coronavirus is still not going away. The effects of that. If you look at some of the names associated with this, Las Vegas Sands down 2. Freeport's just getting clobbered. It's down 10% or so this month. Halliburton's been weak. There's the cruise lines. Airlines are also on the weak side. So this is definitely not going away. If you take a look at some other things, I think the important thing today is earnings and the manufacturing numbers. We got very good numbers on Intel. The numbers were terrific overall, and it's dragging up all of the semiconductor stocks, as you can see here. Elsewhere, American Express, good numbers here. The guidance is about in line with expectations. That's the 2020 guidance for American Express. That is a new high right there for American Express. The important thing here is spending's good. Card growth is good. We're looking at the effects on the consumer and U.S. spending. The numbers were excellent overall. Again, new high there for American Express. And the other big story of the day is the global manufacturing. Remember this whole story about is the global economy bottoming or not? It's very hard to figure out. But the numbers were encouraging overnight on the manufacturing numbers. Japan's numbers were generally better than expected. Eurozone better, UK better. Now, these numbers still show contraction. That's the key. But the numbers are not as bad as they were a few months ago, and they're inching towards possibly moving positive. I know that doesn't sound amazing, but believe it or not, that's very encouraging news overall. So remember the 4 pillars that have moved the stock market. This is one of them overall, whether or not we're getting a bottom in the global manufacturing. So the strong U.S. consumer, number 1. Number 2, the Fed being neutral. Number 3, a trade truce. And number 4, the 4 forces moving, a global economy bottoming. These manufacturing numbers are helpful about that particular thesis.